Hi, my name is Samantha, and I want to be a scientist. You may be wondering why, and my answer is simple. I am amazed at all the wonderful things like television, cellular phones, men on the moon, space exploration, and the list goes on. But those are big things, and I just don't understand everything about them yet.
I also wonder about smaller things like, why do my doll's eyes close when I lay her down and open when I pick her up? Or how are cartoons made? I know it has something to do with science. My brother Samuel wants to be a scientist too, but he likes things that I don't, like why stalactites grow.
But even though we don't like the same things, it's still science. So we get along just fine. In fact, our teachers help us better understand math, technology, current events and trends, all of which are important. We even help each other and have lots of fun. 2 small pieces of white cardboard or index cards. Tape, a pencil to be used as a shaft. Crayons, colored pencils, or whatever you want to draw with. The experiment. Preparation. Draw a large bird cage on 1 piece of cardboard. You are the scientist, so make it look like you want. Just make it pretty big. On the other piece of cardboard, draw a bird. Maybe a budgie or a toucan. Just make sure it is smaller than the birdcage. Tape the pictures back to back onto the pencil shaft. The expected result. What do you think is going to happen if you spin the pencil? I can't tell you because I did it, and this is your discovery. The experiment. Hold the pencil between the palms of your hands. Rub your hands to make the picture spin around. Of course, you have to look at the picture while it's spinning. The experiment result. You should have seen the 2 pictures appear as one. If you didn't see the bird in the cage, keep trying until you do. That is science. Have some fun and try different pictures. I even put Samuel in jail once. Hey, do you want to do a little magic and make a spot on a piece of paper disappear? It's different for each person, but it does disappear. Yes, it's science too, but let's get to the experiment, and I'll explain the science later.
It's simple to set up. Just draw a square about 1/4 inch to 1 city off a white piece of paper and color it in. Draw a circle about 3 to 4 inches to the right that's about the same size as the square and color it in. This is the dot you're going to make disappear.
It's magic. Well, actually it is science. You see, the spot where your optic nerve connects to your eye doesn't have any photoreceptors. That means it is a blind spot and we all have them. You never notice this blind spot because your 2 eyes work together to cover it up. Just like in the first experiment, your brain fills in for the blind spot with the background. I have a question for you. What do you think will happen if you see a colored piece of paper like red? If you don't know, do another experiment and see for yourself. Science is fun and I am glad I am going to be a scientist. Maybe you'll decide to be one too.